Hello, everyone. This is Resilience Coach Jean Morrison with DIY Resilience, and this is Resilience Time. It's time to get ready for a healthy dose of brain rest. You need brain rest to support your DIY self-care plan. About 17 minutes of rest for every 52 minutes you work for optimum performance. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to be notified of new DIY resilience tips, trainings, updates, and live events. Now, I invite you to lay down or sit comfortably and take up as much space as possible. Send a message to your brain that you matter. Close your eyes or focus on your screen and breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Invite your body and mind to connection to what lovingly supports and holds you in love. The bed, wall and floor, chair, hammock. Invite your attention now to wherever you might sense love in and around your body and mind. Is love here? Is love there? Is love, in fact, everywhere around all that is you right now? You might invite yourself deep within the space of love. What color is it? What shapes live within the form of love? Does love have a sound? Listen. Is love heard in the rain? In the sounds of nature, in the sounds of the city, in the sounds of a blender, in the sound of a child's voice, a partner's voice? Is love in your voice? You might turn up the volume. Turn up the volume of love until the sound of love drowns out all other sound, save the beat of your heart that maintains the foundation of love, allowing love to expand beyond your body-mind to your room, the space beyond, to those friends and beings unseen, surrounding all in love and light. Accept and allow love. Embrace the sound of love as your voice, amplified in the fullness of love, so you can be the embrace of love for all you encounter as you live and breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now you can deepen your brain rest into a deeper natural contemplation, or get back to the rest of your day. Remember to stop and label emotions, look and define them, then go and return to rest as soon as possible. Breathe and be DIY resilient as you creatively resolve all your daily challenges, big and small, with your support team. After all, no one does resilience alone. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, isolated, and in need of a fresh start, join our private Resilient Connection group. The link is in the video description below. I'll see you in the room.